In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a Japanese display name on Roblox. First, open Google Translate and select the language you want to translate from and Japanese as the target language. Then, type whatever you want into the text box and Google Translate will convert it into Japanese. Once you're happy with it, simply copy the translated text. Now, go to the Roblox website and click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select Settings, then go to your Profile or Display Name settings. Replace your current display name with the Japanese text you copied and click Save. If you see the message, "Your display name has already been changed in the past 7 days," you won't be able to change it right away because Roblox only allows you to change your display name once every 7 days. However, if you don't see this message, simply click Save, and your display name will be changed. Once it's updated, go to your Roblox profile, and you should see your display name using Japanese characters. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.